Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today we're going to learn how to move contacts from phone to Google account. Alright, let's get to it. First of all, open your contacts app on your phone and then you can click on this button. And then there will be several options for you and you can choose manage contacts. And choose move contacts. Alright, and you can click on phone. It's right here. You gotta click on the circle like this. And it means that you want to move the contact from phone. And after that, you can scroll down your screen to find the contact that you want to move. And after you choose the contact, you just have to click on the contact like this and then click done. But if you want to move all of your contacts, you can click on this circle on the top of your screen. But I'm just gonna move several contacts from my phone, and after that you can click done. Alright, and then choose the Google account that you want to move your contact to it, and I'll go with this account, and then click move right here. Okay guys, now the contacts have been moved from your phone to Google. Okay, that's the tutorial for today. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!